Replacing nouns with pronouns. A key skill in English grammar. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. In today's video, we're going to dive into an essential topic: replacing nouns with pronouns. Understanding how to use pronouns effectively will greatly improve your English speaking and writing skills. So, let's get started. Pronouns are words that we use to replace nouns in a sentence. They help us avoid repetitive and cumbersome language. Instead of repeating the same noun multiple times, we can use pronouns to refer back to the noun mentioned earlier. This makes our sentences more concise and fluent. For example, instead of saying, "John is a doctor," "John works at a hospital," "John loves his job," we can say, "John is a doctor. He works at a hospital and loves his job." Notice how we replaced the noun, John, with the pronoun, he, and used his to refer to John's job. This not only saves us from repeating the noun but also adds a natural flow to our sentences. There are several types of pronouns that serve different purposes. Let's take a look at some common ones. 1. Personal pronouns. These pronouns refer to specific people or things. They include pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. 2. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns show ownership or possession. Examples include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. 3. Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point to specific people or things. They include pronouns like this, that, these, and those. 4. Relative pronouns. These pronouns introduce relative clauses, which provide additional information about a noun. Examples include who, whom, whose, which, and that. 5. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Common interrogative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and what. 6. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns end in self or selves and reflect back to the subject of the sentence. Examples include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Now that we've covered the types of pronouns, let's practice using them in sentences. Here are a few exercises to help you master the skill of replacing nouns with pronouns. Exercise 1. Replace the underlined nouns with suitable pronouns. 1. Mary is a talented pianist. Mary practices the piano for hours every day. 2. The cat is sleeping. The cat looks adorable. 3. John and Lisa are planning a trip. John and Lisa are going to Europe next month. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences by choosing the correct pronouns. 1. Is that your book? No, it's mine. 2. Tom and Sarah are very helpful. They always lend a hand. 3. The concert was amazing. We enjoyed ourselves. Remember, using the appropriate pronoun is crucial for clear and effective communication. Congratulations on completing this lesson on replacing nouns with pronouns. You've taken a significant step toward improving your English grammar skills. By mastering pronouns, you'll be able to make your sentences more concise, natural, and engaging. Keep practicing and applying what you've learned in your daily conversations and writing. The more you use pronouns correctly, the more natural it